Maybe you have not been following my classes on physics. We've started some days ago, and today we want to solve this question on the board. This is a JAMB question. And we have a body moving with uniform acceleration here, has 2.5 and 15. Those are the coordinates. 20 and 60 on the velocity time graph of its motion. Has to calculate A, and we're giving the option. So when we examine the question very well, the acceleration A is given by the slope or gradient of the velocity time graph. So acceleration A, which is the slope, as A is slope or gradient of the velocity time graph, and the formula is change in y over change in x. That means y2 minus y1 over s2 minus x1. So let's go to the equation. So we have acceleration 5 and 15, and then 20 and 60. So let's label them s1 y1, s2 y2. So that's how to label coordinate geometry. So when we apply the formula now, y2 y1, our y2 there, acceleration is 60, y1 is 15, s2 is 20, s1 is 5. So acceleration is 60 minus 15, that's 45. 20 minus 15, 20 minus 5, that's 50. So acceleration is 3.0 meters per second square. 3.00 meters per second square. So that's option B. So the answer to the question is 3 meters per second square. I hope you have gained something in this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube video, you are missing a lot. This is the right time to do so. Go to my YouTube video, Taiwo Michael YouTube, or in case you have not followed me on my Facebook page, quickly do so. Click on the follow button to receive more updates on my physics class. See you in my next class. Bye for now. Bye.